Hi, good evening to all. Today we are going to look at an important topic of business statistics. Under this subject, we are now going to look at the unit of index numbers, under which we are now going to calculate the price index number under the Fisher's ideal method. The problem is given here, through which we need to calculate the price index number. Before solving the problem, we will look at the meaning of an index number. Index number is an indicator which is used now to show the variable changes over a period of time. It's called index numbers. The best example of stock exchange. Index numbers is used in a variety of fields like production, consumption, and sales growth. So everywhere now it is useful. It will be useful. So the heading would be calculation of a Fisher's ideal index number. The first column represents the commodity. The second column piece here. Under piece here the two more columns. The first one is now piece here of the price and the piece quantity of the piece here. Likewise now the second column now represents current year. Under this column now two more columns. The P1 represents now price of current year. The Q1 represents now quantity of current year. This now three columns now we have then just copied from the problem. Apart from these now we have to make now four more columns like the P0 Q0, P1 Q1 and P1 Q0, P0 Q1. It is just multiple now P0 Q0 and P1 Q1 and P1 Q0 and P0 Q1. Then we need to total them as the summation P0 Q0, summation P1 Q1 and summation P1 Q0 and summation P0 Q1. To find the price index numbers now we have now so many methods like Laspey's method, Passage method, Morsel-Edgeworth method, and Tarpish-Pauli method, Kelly's price index, Fisher's ideal index. There's so many varieties, but it's the ideal one is the Fisher's ideal index numbers. It is the combination of the Laspey's and Passage method. If you take these two methods under root, we can get a Fisher's ideal index. So we will write down the formula of a Fisher's ideal index first. The P01, the F indicates here is F indicates the Fisher's ideal. Price, current year price according to the current year of base year price. That is denoted the P01. So how to write down the formula? First we have to write the summation P1 P0 and summation P1 and summation P0 first. It's the same thing, right? Then base year quantity denotes as Q0. Current year quantity denotes as Q1. So first represents the Laspey's method. The second one is the Passage method. Right? So if you multiple these two methods under root, we can get a Fisher's ideal index. We have already calculated the P1 Q0 value, P1 Q1 and P0 Q0 and P0 Q1. Just put it in and the formula, then finally we can get the answer as now 137. It's our final answer. We will see you again with another session. Until then, stay tuned, stay blessed, bye.